Hello, class, and today we will continue working with an essay, Social Media Fast, that we worked with during the last class. We have read the essay, we went over it, and we wrote down the words we don't understand on the board, right? So today, I'm very curious to find out what you think about taking a 30-day fast from social media in your essay, in your paragraph, in your response paragraph, to be exact. Number one, we will split the class into two groups. One group will be for the social media fast, and another group will be against. So group number one will write a response. I agree with social media fast. I agree with the writer of this essay, and another group is going to have a no response. No, I do not agree with this writer, and I don't think it's a good idea, and so on and so forth. So in order to write a correct paragraph, we will of course learn what it means to write a paragraph, all its important points, as well as the structure of a paragraph. I want you to look at the essay one more time and read the first paragraph to yourself. Okay, and second, you can. Yeah. Everyone is done. Okay. Okay. Now, I want you to work in groups, and based on what you read, okay, take a look at the first paragraph of an essay. And tell me, I want you to notice something. I want you to tell me what verb tenses are used throughout an essay. Just by looking at the first paragraph, that would be enough for you to tell me. Yes? Correct. It's a present tense. In order to have a correctly written essay, you have to keep your verb tenses in the same form, either present, past, or future. Okay? And this is a very important mini lesson I wanted you to go over before we get to the structure of a paragraph. I want you to understand that in order to write a response, you have to keep your sentences in the same verb tense. So now I'm going to give you a handout just to do a small exercise. This handout has a paragraph written in mixed verb tenses, and you need to correct each sentence and change each verb to have same to be in the same verb tense throughout the paragraph. Okay, so we're going to do that, and you have to work in pairs. And I want you to, after you're done, okay, turn in your work. You can correct each other. You can help each other. You can ask me, okay? This is a guided activity, guided practice activity. we know that an essay is made of 3 parts: an introduction, body, and conclusion. So you can have a few paragraphs in introduction, more than one. You can have multiple paragraphs in the body of an essay as well as in conclusion. So paragraphs are blocks of an essay. So the paragraphs always begin with introduction sentence. After that, in the middle, in the body of the paragraph, you have supporting sentences. And in the end, you will have conclusion, concluding sentence. So it sort of looks like a sandwich. Introduction, supporting sentences, and conclusion sentence.